Yeah, I'm getting really good at it.
So cool.
You'd think it would be. Huh?
No, your work buddy, right?
Yeah.
All right, here are your drinks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sam.
Elise.
Good to see you.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, am I interrupting
No,
something?
it's okay.
No, Elise, this is my girlfriend.
Oh, that's right. You have a girlfriend, that's right. Yeah.
Wait, I thought that you were working at the law firm.
Oh, no, I quit. I'm just killing time here until I go to Fiji next week. Which, by the way, I do have some free time before I go if you want to get together.
I'll call you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, it was so good to meet you. What is your name?
Megan.
Megan.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Well, cool. All right, I'll talk to you later. Yeah?
Should we maybe go somewhere else?
No. No, hey, look, we talked about this. You said you were fine with it.
Yeah, I know. On your own time, but like, that's gonna be weird the rest of the night.
No, look, just because we sleep with other people does not mean that we love each other any less. Okay, tonight, I'm here with just you. Okay?
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Holy shit! Seafoam Sam!
Amber!
Oh, is this your,
It's my girlfriend, yeah.
Right on, groovy.
Well, I'm late for my burlesque show, but if you ever want to stop by, it's just next door.
Oh.
You can come too if you want.
Wow.
Hey.
Seafoam Sam?
Mm-hmm.
Where'd you meet her?
At a burlesque show.
Right. Okay, maybe we should go somewhere else.
Look, hey, you need to relax. Okay, when we opened up our relationship, we knew that this might happen.
Is there anyone here you haven't slept with?
Sam? Sorry, I see that you're busy, but when you're free, like...
Yeah. What I was trying to think. Hey, look, none of these other people matter. I am only in love with you. Do you trust me?
I trust you.
Megan?
Oh, wow.
I didn't expect to see you.
Jack, hi.
Hi. Is this...
This is my boyfriend.
Cool.
Yeah.
You're a lucky man. She's something special.
So you want to order appetizers first?
You know what? You are actually right. We should go somewhere else.
Wait, are you serious?
Yeah, I just don't like the vibe here, so... Meet you in the car.